Yaosheng Festival kicked off. Local clubs in and around Imphal city fetch sacred fire from Kangla. Musical extravaganza, Kumno 2019 celebrates spring to be an add-on for all music lovers. And JDU fields Hangkhanpao Taithul in Outer Manipuri Parliamentary Constituency for Lok Sabha polls. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News. Now the news in detail. The 5-day Yaosheng Festival, popularly known as the Festival of Colors, which is one of the most important festivals amongst the youngsters, kicked off today in the state. As part of the festival, several local clubs and Maira Paibis started the Yaosheng Festival, being organized in their respective locality by lighting the torch with sacred fire from Kangla. With time, the way in celebrating Yaosheng is also changing as such. Sports and games are given more importance every season during Yaosheng Festival. And many Maira Paibis and local club volunteers said that Yaosheng sports will definitely help develop the society to a large extent.
Akhoi haujikan haidi haujise inkalai banharo city ni sagi epakta taw bagumna haujise taw taw narakpa sigumlaba akhoi gi yausangi aber tainaba sen munba aduga akhoi gi harau kumai se de expand am taw basidi na thairaga akhoi gi isa iu phagatna na ba haitare haksel ga mari leinana amadi nisagi ipakta gi na thaina bagi da sports yausangi sports se sida maroina khoina Thaudang lozarang asi sports sinja langjaban
lamdam masigi itihas ka sagon no laglaba kumai singi marakta khwaidi saw kumai ama oiriba Yaosheng kumai gi saruk ama oina ngasigi mirona Yaosheng kumai bu sport festival ama oina ontok kibaga loinana tongan club organization amasung tongan masangsan kyana numit mangani suba sathagada ba Yaosheng sports festival asigi damakta senglaba kangla gi life family asidagi aseng mamaya lo bulaknari senglaba kangla gi life family asidagi pukhiba seng mamaya asina tongan club singa dugi mafam singla thungmam oiraga ngasidagi hongna numit mangani suba sathagada ba sports festival asibo mapung phana amasung maifakna pangthok pangamnabagi paujal puduna ngasi tongan masanaroi sing maira faibi amasung sport lover kyana ngasigi sigumlaba to sairi sing asida saruk yari paudam jariba video journalist mo yamba senglegi loina damendro Tom TV, Kangla.
On the other hand, All Manipur Working Journalists Union kicked off its 5-day-long 9th annual Journalist Sports Meet with various sporting events being held on the first day at Kumalampak Main Stadium today. Nandakumar Ningthaujam, video editor of Tom TV, opened the medal tally of Tom TV by winning a silver medal in 400 meters race, 100 meter and 400 meter race. Long jump, discus throw, shot put, discus throw and shot put for both men and women were held today.
9 Suba All Manipur Working Journalists Unions ki sports meet asida koi ISTV ki team oina koi mi yam na thoksa bane koi mi participants 50-60 muk soi round about asa sahi khuding e koi na overall team champion se lowdana fly ado handak so koi lowgani habegi full hop asa do koi thamjari
All Manipur Working Journalists Union amjuna sinul sathariba mapon siba annual journalist sports festival asigi ngasi han manumita athletic item da adugumlaba lamjenda tongan ba kedogi Kaidol Saturday Balamjenda, Adum position sing Pangaba, ISTV, Mr. Kumajit, Philistine Acta, Unazabagi market and Zadloge.
I say, I'm a Maktada, our times of Manipur, Tom, Bungam and Tagap Fondoxari. So he couldn't get Amjuna Sinu Chantarapa, journalisting over Handakatana, Mapaluk Suba, Sigumba, All Manipur. The lady ba, a quick pow, eagle limit about to missing over Sugumba sports mirasida as a he couldn't get issue. I observe any, I don't think issue. I know athletics the goal, Anish for Repanga, Masiki the Makta, I saw the Amunai Fawi, Lena, as an Asmina, say couldn't get was journalisting in the Magasin Basina, Pow Igilam da Tabaktoriba, Maruma Pang, Punamak, Masamu, for the theatre guide, Tamna Honabada, Mating people oina, Amadimatam Queen, I quay, Pow Igilam Tabaktoda, Wabasika or Sukornabagi, Bandam. Matamda all Manipur working journalist union Siliba Sigumba sports ministry Aigi Makadikam Tagat Fondusari Lena Matungala Pasation Sute Takaidana Amzuna Manipudale Pomising the Makta Sindiduna Manipurgi Pamipuna Makmasamu Pana Tamnoki Pandamda Sigum Sindi Haina I can make a digisu Tagat Fondusari Renangasi Yabiriba is now is as a put Mapuso I can make a digi Napolitan Tagat Fondusari.
Thank you, Mr. Kumajit. Ngasigi asum laba sport ministry da lakada ba tongan events singa so mai pak boibinaba tom tv mai kai dagi ekoi adu wish do pijari amju chathari ba du ma pansuba annual Yausang sports festival journalist ke ba asigumba festival sida so yab lakfiri ba manipur gi adu leading newspaper mo riba sangai express ki manipur edition gi adu gumlaba alibungo akoi gi kai khumjab eater kogender khonda mikup sida unajab gi tanja lojige tamo ngasigi riba amjuna sinma pansuba adu gumla annual journalist sports festival sida kari phawi gi adu dang thambina ba tamo dajari
masi da seng hardi yam nungai ba akoi pawmi jing ge am tam thabak chendra leba aduna akoi khara ka suti oiju oiba adi oida basu yawa samai tor khadi koma matam jida samai sports ta mayam changna akoi punna harau ta yamna yaumina ba sana ba se yam nungai masi da seng harda masi aina amju gi percent wori ngi horam bane aduna sigumba aina tamdagi horam ba dum sports makha sa trak to ma pan subai edition bo yoksla masi akoi di so leptana dum leptana chahi khudingi pangthokba adagi khoi paumi sing se jo participation je hen yawba ngasi ge si khoi paumi masing di phariam yam bane bu masing ji khara handharap tawe aduna khoi di batung da di paumi sing jo masa ge sin badu matam dong ha kai thokpiraga yam khoi nungai bagi ni khandna sarau yabina ba I paumi sing da haijari
all Manipur working journalist union amjuna chathariba aduma pansulaba annual journalist sports meet 2019 gi asigulba ngasi ahan manumit ki athletic event da adugumba tongan ba lamdamasida fo lairiba print namasung electronics media gi adugumba paumi singna asigulba event sing sida tongan masuk yare ngasi ge du event sida ahugumba ngasi athletic event da tongan ba gold am silver na sing ba ka phangkraba impact tv ki sanoi amakak akoi unajab gi tanja adu lojage akoi ming
ai ming Victoria Rajkumari
ngasi ki adum ba ngasi ki event sida athletic oina ngasi ki event sida kari event la saruk yabige amasung kari title sama gold silver sing lobi ba lebi ge tatak pi
ai ngasi lakpasda keno discuss throw da goal lojare aduga short put thing amudre kuchina maram oraga aduga 100 meter race second lojare
second ani hak lawre ba
ani aduga sigi long jump sida so second
tongal bang sigi event ahumda adugum laba Victoria Rajkumari Impact TV gi akhoi adugum laba represent tawra sanai ba akhoi gi nufi journalist asina adu magi thauna magi pangal adugum du mayam gi sangdam nabas uthokuna goal ahum ekol hangi mangam khiba se Impact TV gi de khwaidi gi hena phaba adugum ba ahan numit asigi Impact TV khwaidi ekol hangtok bo hona ba adugum laba mapung pharaba masang oiraba sanaroi nupi amani haibase ekhoi khudimona khangmi naba yare adu makha taba lakadaba event singda karamba sanaroi singna kari event loga adugumba kasigi sathariba mapolsaba journalist sport meet asigi champion kanan ogidi haibadudi aikoi khudimangna aroiba miku phawang ngaimina mathau tare.
Later, the volleyball team of Tom TV News today won the champions title by defeating its opponent Sangha Express team after it beat the ISTV network in semi-finals.
Yes! Yes!
In a curtain raiser event held at Giving Tree in Sangai Pro in Far West, event director of Kumno 2019 celebrates Spring Mangang Sana Mayang Lambam told Tom TV that Kumno 2019 Celebrate Spring is a musical extravaganza which will be held at Hapta Kangjebung on 22nd of this month. The musical event will give a new experience and excitement to all the music lovers in the state. He further stated that the event is organized to convey the people the message of peace and happiness in the society. He also added the public aware of the fact that apart from the traditional genre of music, there are also other talented and extraordinary artists from different communities in hills as well. And this event will be a first of its kind ever held in Manipur, showcasing different art forms. He appealed to the public to come and be a part of the musical concert.
New season, New Year's Day, the new artists in the sense Amukta Ugidriba, Natraga, Amukta Tagidriba, Isai Natraga, Amukta, Mayam Tengna Gidriba, art installation na chingba aduga khoi atopa entrepreneurs sing sigi moigi tongan ba mokoina puthok chaba moigi manipur da sajaba pothong na chingbu so khoi andagi festival sida sinabo hona jai noma khaktani mathang chahi dagi di hen sangna namit mari mangani bok chathajage na khoina khanjai ado handaki simadi mayam asu soidana pambigani aduga masida hena fajanaba amasung masigi asoiba amadi masidagi hena kari tawsige haibasi mayam dagi su khoi feedback ideas and mayam de pibirakani hena khoina thajaje.
Some of the main attractions of Kungnaung 2019 Celebrate Spring are Shillong-based blues band Soulmate, Kutumba, MC Core and Nuzan's Palpi Shilpi, Song of Khamsan, Siom Assemble, Lai Hui featuring Mankha, Hiairen Thokchom and other popular bands from the country and abroad are performing. In an exclusive meeting with Mumbai HIP hip-hop singer MC Core and Nunsans said this is her third visit in the state and also expressed her curiosity on how the crowd will react to her performance. On the other hand, the members of a Krul-based folk band Khamsan also expressed their desire to let the whole world know about the beautiful village folk songs.
I'm Emins from Khamsom. I'm the president of Khamsom Eco Trail Association, Keta, Manipur. We're very much excited to be part of this Kungnaung festival. I want to leave a message about the unheard song of our village folk song to all the people around the world.
Hi, my name is Manmeet Kaur. I go by the moniker MC Kaur, and it's an honor to be here for this festival for sure. It's my third time here. I really look up to the movement of the Giving Tree. I know Bobby and Shantanu, who I'll be performing with. And it's really valuable for me to learn through these social gatherings about different corners of my own country and what's the intention of interacting between the local and the invited. So this synergy is something I look forward to. Tomorrow when I perform, I want to see how people respond to my album Neophilia that I'm here to show, and how they respond to my concerns about society, and through which I would love to see future with Northeast. So I'm excited to show hip-hop.
In a press meet held at JDU office in Hapta today, it is announced Hanghanpao Taitul of JDU will contest from Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency in that the upcoming 17th Lok Sabha election. The press meet was attended by the candidate himself along with President of Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency Minority Development Committee. MD Siddiq Ali and other leaders of JDU, MD Ali Siddiq said that Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency Development Committee, which is formed by various individuals belonging to Muslim community living in Outer Constituency, will fully support Hanghanpao Taitul in the 17th Lok Sabha election, since he is capable of working for the constituency without any bias and differences.
Development Committee asina oja asi chawgatpa haina ikoi warep taraba matung duda ikono pakhata na masi thabachi chathajarapani.
Hanghanpao Taitul expressed his gratitude to all the Muslim brethren for selecting him as a candidate and assured that he will work as per the wishes of the public. He stated that he is submitting all the formalities to RO of Outer Parliamentary Constituency in DC Thoubal.
Pure Congress na any cookie amada pure no problem, Naga amada pure no problem, Congress na any Naga applicant pure no problem, cookie applicant pure no problem. Akoi JDU di Prayada aina Pongdok Chaning badi Akoi di Ninghandana Manipurisi gi Prayasing se gi Awaba se Uraga Tumin leba yadre haiduna tumba chaba phauba maru oina khandraduna hauramaba party ni.
We'll take a short break. Stay tuned.
Admission open for football coaching camp at Private Sports Academy Guwahati 2019-20. realize the dream of becoming a successful professional football player. Get trained yourself by reputed and dedicated foreign and national coaches under the Academy Accreditation Program designed for All India Football Federation Youth League's preparation. This intensive coaching camp, to be held during vacation, is expected to help talented students, particularly of class 10 and 12, in grooming themselves into world-class football players. Enroll today for a 1-month residential football coaching camp at Private Sports Academy Mirza, Assam, under the guidance of Sports and Education Centre, Manipur. For further details, kindly contact K.A. Singh, First Northeast Athlete, Gold Medalist, Managing Director, Sports Academy, Guwahati, 8787842589, or D. Pankaj Das, Managing Secretary, 8486238629.
Oinam Block Congress Committee President L. Angau said that Oinam Block Congress Committee has been disbanded from today and 5,000 primary membership have resigned. The press meet was attended by VP of the block C.H. Joy Kumar, General Secretary Administration W. Binoy, along with the other members. President L. Angau said that the bloc attended the public meeting by AICC President Rahul Gandhi, where more than 5,000 members of Oinam Congress Committee also took part. But it was unfortunate that Rahul Gandhi didn't even live up to the expectation of the public. He is dissatisfied that Rahul didn't address any state issue. Even though they admire Congress Party, Oinam Block Congress Committee has no purpose. Looking at the disappointment of the public, he stressed. Resignation notice of 25 members were also handed over to at the party office. Around 5,000 members also resigned from the membership.
Akoigi praja mo ina laaga akoiga num phamina bada praja jingi manukta num phamadi yaya party gi PCC member am jo Oinam kendra gi PCC member am jo ori babu moina kokhatta ba dasta kokhatta ba se akoi Oinam kendra gi oina praja jingi congress bu nungsi jo praja jing namasi pamak tre akoigi hope ta akoigi asada congress am pamjana jik leiriba praja jingi ehubda Congress na mayong yari haina lebasida adugumba thau pujariba XMLA oriba sahi taraju kendra si seva tawu lakpasida nuksa phol bai base koi pende haina yon adudi pendragadi aduna resign tokhoge haira I block president gi resign tokosida ai secretary o yeta phambe secretary o da phambe vice president ju Yare an resign Tauragadi, Hoshi Taujarani Hydra. Aina resign Taurabina Moju, resign to Busapane Hydra, Masi, ISTB Ladiba, Mediagi, Ladiba, Maniputa Ladiba, Mediagi Manga, Aina Pongna, Hajiri Pasin.
Sons of Kanglei Park and Society Zeros organized a 2-day Yaushing festival for the orphan children at Yaibi Lane Children Home for the third time. Toys, clothing were also distributed to the children of the home. Secretary of Sons of Kanglei Park, Pukramam Udoy Kuman, said that the Yaushing festival is organized to encourage the children of the home.
Children home hai orphan oina lai angang sing asini mo khodi ma pa le jadraba khoi yaksong kumaina lakpa hai basidi akhoi nupi angang hai de ahan naman hai di angang amata khaidana hai harote amna phungdok chaba matam ni hai jabadar masida orphan om da le jare angang sing mo khoina yawjaning la su moina yaw phangjadaba singu mayam se khoina sum khoi gi ningba khradang or su thungam bangam jane pandam do khona jabani
On the other hand, caretaker of the home, Prafullo Thengjom, said that among other children home in the state, Yaibiril Children Home is the least developed. He expressed happiness for extending help and taking up measures for the children by private groups. He also expressed his desire for the government to look into the home.
Manipur labor children home khudingmaki khwaidagi handana labor hariba masigi Yaibiril children home kaibi sanapat hariba mafamsina iton tole ana akoigi tengbang ba chaluba home khudingmak chalubaga sida lakpa mipum khudingmana adumaina takpi.
In a drive to check unwanted incident from intoxication, a combined team of Thoubal District Excise apprehended large quantity of local wine which was kept discreetly in Thoubal Kuno and Kakching Lamkhai. The seized liquor were handed to Yaripok Excise Office, which will burned after getting permission from the Excise Commissioner. The woman who lost her mind and went away from home after her husband died due to an illness in January of this year was found in Kachar. Thanks to the continuous search by the family and the locality, was brought home safely and is under medication. Kanglei Park News Tengbang Loop extended help to the woman along with her 11-year-old daughter and 9-year-old son and her family by providing food and money. Kanglei Park News has been helping the downtrodden and will continue to do so as much as they can. We'll take a short break. Keep watching.
Libatam Kunmari, Yoksam Marini Chambanamita, Event Management Sinjaduna, Yoksam Kumai Helamin Konjava Turamama, Pangtok Jagadawi.
Hapta Kangjibinda, Manipur Event Management Sinjaduna, Naki over Toronship Pangtok Jagadawi. Naki Oba, Sanakaya, Jagadawi,
Tanta, Langabi, Bojiva, Naki over Sakia Pangtok Jagadawi. Lamjingba Jewelry na adom-gidamak khwaidagi asengba sana khwaidagi ahongba sana asamalda fanghanjari. Aikhoigi service singdi inat ki oiba design sing ready made ta fanghanjari. Singnaningai oidraba asengba sana khaktamak pizari. Manung matam sana order delivery sing pizari. Sana asamal khwaidagi nemna lawjari. Nomaizing numitsu adom-gi service ta leizari. Ngasimak Lengsin Birau, Lamjingba Jewelry Private Limited, DM College Road, opposite Memsi Mall, Thangmaiban, Imphal West. Email lamjingbaJewelry@gmail.com. Website www.lamjingbagoldbank.com. Contact us at 764293445 and 940-299-2391. Lamjingba Jewelry. Good quality is our priority.
Hello, good morning sir. Welcome to Lamjingba Motors. How may I help you?
Lamjingba Motor na miyam da kana ba piri basing se kari no.
Khudong chaba kaya ma pizari. Aikoina phanganjari ba products sing di trucks, tippers, haulage, bus, amasung genset ni. Documents ichang dana adomi sale amadi matam manghandana loan gi khudong chaba pizari. HDFC Bank, Lamjingba Finance amadi Shriram Finance kasu khutsamna na junction minari. Matik charba khutsu khulai amadi crane yauraba. Aikhoigi sport servicing van adongi damakta matham pumbada leijari. Bus sing yonbada natana school, college, universities, office ki dama contract basis ta lobi bagi khudong chaba su thamjari. Amadi genuine lay parts sing su phangbigani. Adongi mai pakpana aikhoigi su mai pakpana.
Welcome back. Senior Samajwadi Party leader Ram Gopal Yadav on Thursday accused Prime Minister Narendra Modi of perpetrating the Pulwama terror attack for votes. He said the Modi government killed security personnel to serve its political interests. According to news agency ANI, Ram Gopal Yadav said paramilitary forces are unhappy with PM Modi. Parliamentary Jawans are unhappy with the government. Jawans were killed for votes. He was quoted as saying by a national media. The Samajwadi Party leader's comment was in reference to the Pulwama terror attack in Jammu and Kashmir, where 40 CRPF Jawans were killed in a suicide attack on February 14. Speaking about the attack, Ram Gopal Yadav said there was no security check between Jammu and Srinagar. The Jawans were sent in simple buses. This was a conspiracy. A hostage situation is developing in Bandipora in Jammu and Kashmir as militants are suspected to be holding a person hostage inside a house. The incident took place on Thursday in Bandipora as the militants entered a house to shield themselves from security forces. The forces were carrying out cordon and search operation after they received inputs on presence of militants in the area. 6 people were trapped inside the house initially. The security forces were able to evacuate 5 of them during the day. A 10-year-old boy was among the hostages held at gunpoint by the militants. It is learned that forces have been able to secure his release. Efforts are on to evacuate the last hostage. Security forces in Jammu and Kashmir have had to be alert even on the festive day of Holi on Thursday. There was ceasefire violation at line of control in Naushera and Sundarbani. Pakistani forces opened fire at Indian posts and even resorted to mortar shelling. Respected militants hurled a grenade at policemen in Sopore. From burning effigies of terrorist Masood Azhar to remembering the 40 CRPF Jawans killed in Pulwama, Holi 2019 was marked not only by colorful celebrations but also a determination to maintain peace in the country. Top leaders and prominent personalities from around the country greeted the nation on Thursday and hoped that the Festival of Colors will bestow peace and prosperity on everyone's lives. President Ramnath Kovind greeted Indians across the world. The president said in a tweet, "May this festival bring peace, happiness and prosperity in the lives of all." Prime Minister Narendra Modi too greeted the country on Holi, tweeting, "This festival of joy and gaiety will strengthen the color of our unity and goodwill." Now the time for the top newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express will fight CAB tooth and nail. Rahul Gandhi. NPF bets for a platform of minorities. Manpack reaches out to CSOs of northeastern states. IFM decries silence of state government. The People's Chronicle. Rahul will scrap Citizenship Amendment Bill, restore special category status. NPF vouches for regional peace development. Ivo Vitang lashes state BJP government. Imphal Free Press. Rahul Gandhi assures protection of identity of Manipuris. Candidates yet to file nomination paper with only 2 days left. The Morning Bell. Congress will not pass Citizenship Amendment Bill if voted to power at center. Rahul Gandhi assured to restore special status to state. Meeting deliberates on silence of government on fact encounters. Manpack to host Grand Conference of Northeastern States against Citizenship Amendment Bill. Orientation of stakeholders on NTCP held at Kangpokpi.
Now the top stories once again. Yaosheng Festival kicked off. Local clubs in and around Imphal city fetch sacred fire from Kangla. Musical extravaganza Kumno 2019 celebrates spring to be an ad for all music lovers. JDU fills Hangkan Phao Taitul in Outer Manipuri Parliamentary Constituency for Lok Sabha polls. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.